Hey, how you guys doing? This is Retro Vinny. Hey, today I'm gonna cut my toenails. Capiche? You gotta have some clean feet, you know. The first thing you gotta do, you gotta wash your feet. You take a bath, wash your feet, have them nice and clean. See? I just washed my feet. Right, let's get. And then another thing you're gonna need some clippers, some kind of you know, clippers, any kind you want. Maybe some professional toenail clippers or something made for toenails. I'm just using just regular clipper. Right, there we go. My foot. Okay, got the clipper. Gonna clip nice and even. Let's see. Oh, oh shit. Oh, 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 shit. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no. Oh, 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 that toenail just flew in my eye. Hell no. Remember, just wear some protective glasses or something like that, man. That thing just poked me, took my eye out. The nail just took my eye out. Hell no. Remember to use some protective eyeglasses, some glasses. Hell no, man. Ow! Aye! Oh! Oh! Remember, you see these people in the summer with like flip flops on, with their nails are all fungy, yellow nails, and that's not cute, you know. You gotta keep some clean nails, man. Nice and trimmed. Hell no. Ow! Ah! Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, hell no. Oh! Oh! Oh, my leg is hurting. Oh, oh, I just farted. Hell no. Oh, I just burped. Oh, got some gas, man. Let's clip some more. Ow! Ay! Oh! Ay! Yeah, 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 yeah. Ow! Ow! Oh! Ow! Oh, hell no. See, it's nice and even. See, nice and clean. Ow! Hell no. Oh. Okay, see, you clip them all clean. You do the other side the same way. Okay. Massage your feet a little bit. Okay, massage your feet. Relax your feet. Give it some massage. Give it some massage. Massage. Oh, yeah. That feels good. Yeah, from working all day. Clip your nails, wash your feet so they don't stink. You know why people's feet stink? Their shoes and stuff? Because they never, when they take a shower, they never wash their feet with soap. You take a shower, but you don't wash your feet. That's why your feet stink. Capiche? All right, you massage. Okay. This is 101 pedicure. Capiche? Ritual VINNIE will teach you something. Okay, now you get some lotion. Rub it on your feet. All right. Feet are looking good. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and good. All right, man. Look at that. That's in the bottom. All right. Nice. Bing, bada, boom, you know? All right, if you like this video, it's Retro Vinny again. Subscribe, share, and like. Until the next one. Capiche? I'm out.